Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those who don't know me, I'm on the Vaishnavi from the Mauritius Island, bringing you many interesting videos. So today's videos consist of making a DIY concealer. So let's go for it. Before we start, I'm going to ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button to get all my videos when I upload it. So guys, we made our concealer. Here is our DIY concealer, and I'm going to try it on one side of my face and see the result. So guys, as you can see, on this part of my face I have the concealer, and this one I don't have it. So this is working for me guys. Hope you liked the video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned till my next video. See you guys. Bye.